Alright everybody, we are going to take a walk through the Carnival Conquest Casino. Right when you walk in, there's a bar right here. And I am very surprised. This is the Tahiti casino. Surprised that this craps table is completely open today. Not a lot of craps players here. But I'm just going to walk around. You can see we're going to walk over. This side is the smoking section. Dragon Links grands are at 100,000. They don't have a lot of old games here, just some 3 reels. They have no Ainsworth games here. Craps table minimum is $10. I think the minimum on all table games are about $10. Cash machine. They got the top dollar pinball over here. What is over here? They have the Dragon Ball. Buffalo Link. Lion Links. Fortune Frenzy. Over here is a sports bar. It doesn't look like it's open yet. And they do have a lot of Yo Yetis, Spooky Links, Mo Mummies on the ship. And a crap ton of Dragon Link games. Let's walk over to the other side. There's your blackjack table. Not a lot of gamblers on the ship. Today is the only sea day that we're gonna be on this ship, and not a lot of gamblers. Very surprised. We're in a whole row of these Yo Yetis. Yeah, lucky looters too. Cut for cash. So this is a non-smoking side. Flamin' hot pots. Ultimate fast cab.
Somebody also be that at the end.
Let's go down every aisle here. We can see more Mo Mummies, Magic Treasures. Yeah, you're gonna see a lot of the same games over and over, like the quick hit links. Big Bang. They have all new games here. You know what's funny is they have a lot of Reyna's favorite games here, like that Timberjack Beaver game. Dragon Links, Lion Links. We played them all. More quick hits. More Mo Mummy games. Oh, nobody's playing Dollar Storm over here. What's over here? Wheel of Fortune.
Something exciting is happening.
Voodoo jackpots. Oh man, it is cloudy outside. Screw wheels. Huff and Puff. The game that I despise playing, but I've been playing a lot more. Railroad Riches.
I don't know how that's happening, but I'm okay with it. All right, keep going.
As long as you're winning.
One more. Okay, all right. So let's get
A lot of Lion Links. And then there's this cash game. Cash claw machine.
make sure it's not shaking.
What's over here? I didn't see this one. More flaming hot pots. Bao Zhu Zhao firecracker. Flamin' hot stuff. Now it's over here. Grand Buddha wheel. More Snoopy links. Black Diamond Platinum. And you have your video poker games, electronic roulette. Ultimate video poker.
It was at this place.
That's where they have live bands and that bar that we just walked by earlier when we started. And they got the new Puff and Puff Bacon Bros Building Company. That's the casino, everybody. Thank you for tuning in.